Location, location, location. The Realm Condominium is located in the heart of Buckhead. Experience luxury city life in the spacious one-bedroom condo with open floor plan living area and amazing views of the city from your own private balcony at 15th floor. Unit comes with an assigned parking space. Enjoy the resort-style amenities offered by Realm Condominium. Luxury amenities included our rooftop saltwater swimming pool, outdoor grill area, state-of-the-art 2-story gym with cardio and weight room, yoga classes, large fire pit with seating, large clubroom west/fireplace, conference room, guest parking, 24/7 concierge, high-speed internet, included with HOA. Conveniently located near Marta, Buckhead Beltline, Lenox Mall, and Phips Plaza. Don't miss out on this opportunity of owning your own luxurious condo.